Hi everyone, we're going to evaluate the integral of log of x minus 1 divided by square root of x minus 1 dx. We're using integration by parts. Here's your formula, and we need a u and a dv. Since we have this, I can write this as the integral of log of x minus 1 times x minus 1 to the power of negative 1/2 dx. Now, looking at this, your u should be the first one on the list, which is our log function. So our u is going to be our log function, and our dv here is going to be our algebraic function. Therefore, let's go ahead and set that up so we can use this formula here. So we're going to let u equal log of x minus 1, and our derivative of v is going to equal 1 divided by, or let's just write it like what we had, x minus 1 to the power of negative 1/2 dx. So that's the second part here. Therefore, your derivative of u is just going to be 1 divided by x minus 1 times dx, and your v is going to be the integral of x minus 1 to the power of negative 1/2 dx. So we have to evaluate this. This is going to give us equals 2 times x minus 1, and you add 1, you get 1/2. And then which equals basically 2 square root of x minus 1. So that's what your v is going to be. All right. Now let's go ahead and integrate this by substitution. So we have our u was log of x minus 1, and our dv was 2 times square root of x minus 1 minus the integral of v again, which is 2 times the square root of x minus 1 times du, which was 1 divided by x minus 1 dx. All right, so this is going to give us equal to 2, I'll put this in front, 2 square root of x minus 1 times log of x minus 1, and I'm going to pull out this 2, so this is going to be minus 2 times the integral, and when you divide square root of x minus 1 divided by x minus 1, that's going to give you equal to 1 divided by square root of x minus 1 dx. Because basically what you're doing is you're saying a to the power of 1/2 divided by a to the power of 1. So this would equal your a to the negative 1/2, and this is your a to the power of 1. And using your exponent properties, that would be a to the power of 1/2 minus 1. So that's why you're going to get a to the negative 1/2. Okay, so now that you have that, we can use substitution, because we already know what this equals. We already did that substitution. So basically we're going to get 2 times the square root of x minus 1 times log of x minus 1 minus 2, and we already integrated that. That was this, remember? So that's going to be times 2 square root of x minus 1 plus your c. And then simplifying this, we're just going to get 2 times square root of x minus 1 times log of x minus 1. And let's multiply these, so this is going to be minus 4 times square root of x minus 1 plus c. So this is your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.